It's in serving each other we become free. In our journey, we've recognized that fear and uncertainty often grip us at the thought of losing our beloved homes to the wrath of wildfires. The experience of the Woolsey fire has etched within us an unbreakable commitment to educate, empower, and transform. It's a commitment rooted in the knowledge that every homeowner has the potential to become the hero of their own abode. The choice is yours, and the chance is now. Imagine being the guardian of your domain, equipped with the tools to stand strong against high winds and the encroaching threat of wildfires. Our partnership with Ace Fire Preparedness Defense Products equips you with significance, contribution, certainty, safety, peace of mind, and unwavering confidence to know that you got this. No longer need you be a helpless bystander in the face of nature's fury. In this shared mission, we find the strength to face the unknown with confidence. The winds of change may blow, but they won't extinguish our resolve. As wildfires rage, our passion burns even brighter, lighting the way for you to become the hero your home deserves. Together, we transform vulnerability into strength, uncertainty into preparedness, and fear into determination. Ace Fire Preparedness Defense believes in the power of choice. Today, you choose to be prepared. Today, you choose to be the hero your home needs.